This is a video of my 42-inch Yita or Yata Home ceiling fan. It has 3 speeds, electrically reversible, integrated LED light kit. And something interesting about this fan is that it is remote controlled. And the light fixture actually has 2 different color temperatures, which I will show off here in a moment. Here is the light. There's your cool white feature, natural white, and your soft white feature. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is low. And this thing is silent, but it does move a ton of air. And this fan here I got at Goodwill, brand new in the box, for $10. But what this goes for online is about $150. So do the math for what kind of a discount I got. Here is medium. And this fan here is installed in my dining room. You may remember the Hunter Regalia. That one wasn't working correctly. And here's high. And high speed is crazy. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but it's moving some air. And off. And now I'm going to talk about some general information on it. Like I said, I did purchase this thing at Goodwill for $10, and it goes for about $130 on Amazon. And I got a pretty good deal, and the blades are not reversible. They are non-reversible black finish. And this particular light kit here, it does not have any LED bulbs. Well, no physical ones at least. It's like all built in. So whenever the LEDs quit working, the light quits working. Just goes to show you, they don't make them like they used to. And this one here is the 42-inch one. There is a 52-inch one. And I got this fan along with a few other fans at the Goodwill. So that was a pretty good haul. And this particular one was manufactured 2023. Installation was very easy. This is my first remote control ceiling fan. And it is pretty much done coasting, so that has been my 42-inch Yita or Yata Home, however you pronounce it, remote control ceiling fan with an integrated LED light. Peace.